Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and if you're into Hugs World, and today I got the Galaxy Watch in front of you again. We've been playing it all day. It has been 24 hours since we went out and bought the watch, and yes, we're back with a review on Bixby. Now, we don't know if they call it Bixby 2.0. I tried to search it out in the Galaxy wearable app, and I could not find it. I even tried to find it on the Google Play Store, so I couldn't find it, right? But this is supposed to be Bixby. It's supposed to be new and improved, and I'm here to tell you that it's not. What it is that it's the S voice incognito. That's all it is. It is undercover. It is hiding behind the scenes of Bixby. This is not real. Now, if you compare this with the S voice, is going to sound just like it. It's going to act just like it. It's going to give you feedback just like it, right? And that just won't do. So I don't know what Samsung thinking was at all, but listen, I need for you to go all the way to the end with me on this video because I need your opinion. I need your thoughts. I want to hear what you got to say about this Bixby, right? Now, for me, an AI, what I'm looking for out of an AI is for something to give me the information that I'm seeking. With this watch, it can't be used quite like we use Bixby on the smartphone, right? Where it helps us to navigate within our smartphone. This we need to make phone calls. We need for it to bring up information. We need for it to give us address, the weather. We need for it to navigate us, things of that nature, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to do a comparison between the Google Assistant and Bixby, right? And we're going to show you exactly what Samsung should have done. And I don't know why Samsung is cutting, corners on this one. But when are we going to get a real AI on whether it be a smartphone and or a smartwatch? Okay, with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's put these side by side and go head to head only for a few minutes. Okay, you all, let's get started with this comparison. This is not a beat down. This is not a battle. This is just to simply show you what an AI is supposed to do and how Samsung missed the mark on the AI. Okay, so with that being said, let's give it some commands and see what it can do. Simple commands that we will normally use every day. What's the weather?
Today it's 77 with just a few clouds in the sky.
What's the weather? Now see, what I like about Google is it gives you more information that I need. For me, at least for me, I would like to know the forecast some days out, and I would like to know it sometimes by the hour, especially if I got something planned for the day. So let's try another command really quick. Next command. How far is Miami?
It's 81 with intermittent sunshine today.
And that's what Bixby does. That's what S Voice does. How far is Miami? See, that's what I'm talking about. This is what we need on the Galaxy Watch, the Gear S3, the Gear S2. This is what we need exactly. Let's try another command. Navigate to Walmart.
Navigating.
Now what this one does is it sent me here to download the app, but it does not work. So I'm thinking I need to download another app in order for it to work. Maybe it's a paid app, I'm not sure. But this new and improved Bixby on the Galaxy Watch is super dry. It does not work. It's the same as the S Voice. Navigate to Walmart. There you go. I'm loving that one. Right, and it gives you some more information if you need to go into it about Walmart, the hours that are open, walking directions. This is what we need on a smartwatch, which is the same thing we have on a smartphone, which is very, very convenient. Spell relief. Because sometimes we need to spell a word. I asked it 20 times. This is what it gives me. Spell relief. See what I'm talking about? Let's ask it again. Spell pterodactyl. It is spelled whatever you want to spell. Spell mom. Simple words. No problem. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. And that's it, people. I just want to give you an idea of what an AI should do or be able to do on a smartwatch and how Samsung definitely missed the mark. I don't know why they're cutting corners like this. I don't think it... S-Voice has been a hit or miss for years. And what they did was hid S-Voice behind Bixby. That's exactly what they did. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this quick video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. I hope it helped. And if it did, please hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.